downloading. Okay, it's done. Let's come up with your doubts quickly. So our 10 days from our 10 days training program, 9 days are already completed. I think today is the last date, but you can come up with your doubts anytime. All the sessions are available on the drive with the PDFs. PDFs are not uploaded, but it will be available soon. Tools links are there, tools are there, and furthermore magnet acquire is also there. And please come up with your doubt. I think there were 2 to 3 doubts yesterday for the session. First one was VMware, second was data recovery, third was EaseUS, and fourth was Swift. So I think Swift was damaged. I have started it again. It is an import process. It will be completed very soon. So till then, let's jump forward to EaseUS. Let's download EaseUS. I think I have downloaded it, and EaseUS. Okay, is this partition recovery or partition master? Okay, it is partition master. It is not the recovery. EaseUS recovery. So it will be downloaded very soon. Okay, it's downloaded. Okay, it's a web-based installer. Good. So now it will start downloading. This is the partition master, and I don't know whether it was infected or what. My hard disk is infected now, but I will be easily, you can say, it will be easy for me to gain access again. So now all my drives are write protected, else than my local disk C. Like you see, if I click on local disk C, there is an option for new folder, and I can delete any file I want. Even same way, like I go on my drive vlogs, there is no option for new because it is write protected. Even if I want to delete something, I cannot delete it. There is no option for delete, and even I cannot format it also. Format, quick format, start. Okay, this device is write protected, so means I cannot write anything, but I can read everything which is in the drive. Doubts. Today I will be showing you my arsenal. I'm having some of the tools that you should also try. Just stop. Okay, EaseUS is you can say installed now. You can say there is no drive like drive D, but it is showing me drive D because this device is corrupted. This drive is corrupted. Let's see if we can scan this. I don't think we will be able to scan this because it is corrupted to a great level. It will be very good if the advanced scan works on this corrupted drive. I'm not sure that it will be working. What about our import process? Okay, it will be also going to end very soon. Final Cut Pro event. I have never installed Final Cut, but it can be Premiere Pro. Very nice. It is recovering file. Exit. Now ask again. Is us. So I have shown you the disk cleaning utilities. Now let's get to my arsenal. This is file recovery for Mac. Wait. I will be providing all these tools. You can come up with it out of any tool. This is file recovery for Mac, and I wait a second. The sound of varying functions are. Just give me a second. Hope the sound is reduced very much. Now let's continue. Our Swift is installed. Swift workstation. Now let's see how I was sharing the files. Click on settings. Let's see if the option is available. Okay, so this is the process. Start the VMware, click on VM, then click on settings. Then after clicking on settings will be open. Don't change these files and functions. Click on options. Then there is an option for shared folders. You just have to click on always enabled and click on add. Then you can create a new folder, which folder you can add in both of the documents. Like I can add it on desktop also. Desktop, make a new folder 3. Okay, new folder 3. Next, enable this, share, finish. Okay, so now you can say sharing folder will be created as new folder 3, in which I can share the files from the VMware and my normal desktop. Let's see where the new folder 3 has been created. Okay, new folder 2 is there, but we cannot see new folder 3. Nice. Okay, so here is the new folder 3 here. Now let's turn on our Swift workstation. First close all the rest of the systems. Power off. These machines are also stuck. Let's concentrate on our main machine. It is asking for light on Bluetooth USB module, Quanta USB composite module. Basically, these are my two devices. One is my gaming mouse and one is my Bluetooth mouse. So basically, it is getting started. Let's minimize it till it gets started. It will take some more time. Till then, I can show you my arsenal. Uh, this is 321 soft data recovery. I have never used this tool. This is a good tool. Apple Xsoft. Disk Doctor is there. Disk Doctor is a good tool. Disk Drill is one of my favorite tool for Mac. Uh, Recovery Guru, Studio, Stellar. Stellar is also there. Stellar is For Mac, I have used Stellar and Disk Doctor and Apple Xsoft and this drill. I have used these for top four tools and one, two, three, four, five. Five are also left, and you can use any of the nine tools for Mac for recovery in Mac because there are not very much tools, and you can say they are not very much efficient. So I have used these tools, and these are very much efficient. You can use these tools for Mac. What was the password for ENSICS? Forensics was the password, default password for our Swift workstation. Let's see where the shared
Hello,
folder.
sir.
Yes, yes.
Hello. Hello, sir. I have a problem with uploading the SIF to my VMware.
Okay, then I have
If you
one
go to,
option.
yeah, please tell me.
Okay, so just follow the steps. I will be repeating the steps.
Okay. Does everyone encounter the same problem with that?
Yes, please. If anybody tried with the Swift. Okay, Swift is also stuck. I should give it more power, I think. Firstly, remove all my dependencies off.
So it's a power configuration requirements.
Yes, it requires a bit high configuration.
So what is the configuration?
It's not specific. You can use, I think, around 2 gigabits to 4 gigabits of RAM, 2 to 4 processors, and something like this configuration.
Mm,
Cancel.
okay.
Okay, I am just closing my VMware and I will recreate all the. Wait a second. Reinstall VMware tools, removable devices,
But
power.
my sir, but my problem is upon trying to open the VMware, the problem start there.
So
It's
you are
like, for
not
example,
able to
open
open.
VMware. Yeah, what I'm trying to do is try open VMware and then click the safe workstation dot ova eve and then
Okay.
open and then error.
Okay, so follow the steps. This is file. I'm clicking on open, and there you can see Swift workstation. I click on this, and I will click on
So,
open. I have
yeah,
downloaded. Wait a
file
minute.
and then
File, and then choose the Swift workstation over file.
new. No, you're too fast. Can you repeat from the file
Yes,
and
yes,
then
yes. File. Then you have to click on open.
okay, file and then open.
Then
Okay,
you have to select the file where the
yes,
Swift is there.
okay,
You have selected the file. You can just
yes, yes,
double click the file, or you can click on open.
okay,
I have clicked it in, I have clicked it on, and I have clicked on open. Then something like this will appear. See my screen.
yes.
So now you can select where to, you can say, save the workstation. Like
Mm-hmm,
you can click on browse, and you can select this PC, and from this PC you can select any of your drive which is having great space, and you can click on next.
mm-hmm.
uh, so I'm clicking on local disk C. Okay, and then import. Oh, wait. I have to create a new folder, otherwise it will flood my drive. Make new folder. Okay, then click on import. The import begins. Are we on the same page? Then you can see there
Uh,
is an error.
I still getting that. Mhm. Yeah.
I then see this
Okay.
type of error on my screen. The import
Yes, I
failed
can see.
because C users. Then you have to just click on retry. Basically, it is saying that your power, your configuration is not as per the requirements. You can see
Yes.
click retry to relax the OVF specifications. Basically, what retry will do, it will relax the specifications that is needed by that hardware compliance. So just click on retry and it will start. You can say importing. I have just completed the import process of this one. I have, you can say, reinstalled it.
Yeah, the problem I tried to click retry, and then what happened is failed to read from the file safe workstation.ova.
No problem. You can connect me on WhatsApp, and I can control your screen and guide you.
On later.
Yes, yes, later.
Okay, so after the class, right? So we cannot
It's not possible today. Maybe tomorrow. You can fix the time for tomorrow, and we can come with your time.
after class tomorrow.
I don't know tomorrow we will class or not because 10 days are already over, and I have completed the
Ah,
topic.
okay.
Uh,
We can agree tomorrow, right?
yes, yes, yes. We can come
Okay,
tomorrow
sir.
if you are having any doubts and something like that. Like if you are having a doubt something, so I can
Mm,
control your, you can say, complete system, and I can just see where the problem is.
okay, no problem.
Control
Yeah.
all, delete.
Mhm.
W running command red shutdown. Okay. Task manager. VMware. The VMware is closed. Where is the other VMware file? Okay. Now VMware is completely uh, down. Now I can open it again. There was a question from you, how to share the files. I have showed others. I think you joined late today.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
No problem. It is just a second process. I can show it again. Let's just wait till it gets started. Let's minimize it and continue to ease us. Okay, it will take some time. So we were on easers. So you can see OS and SSD is written here just to specifically, you can say, make you understand that on this drive OS is installed and this is an SSD. And for rest of the files, there is yellow bar on these two files because these are not my primary drives. I have shown you these are basically dependent on Linux file system. And EaseUS is a good software. I have just given an example, like I just corrupted my local disk D accidentally, but I can recover the data of the accidentally deleted local disk also. Like if I click on scan, the scan will begin and it can get the data out from the local disk D. Basically what happened with my this drive is it was write protected, and I was using different type of software to make it, you can say, right, unblock with the right protectable malware or something, because I'm 100% sure it's maybe more malware, you can say, infected. So it is started.
That was logical drive, right?
Yes, it was logical drive.
Mhm. So it was corrupted, or it just formatted and not.
Basically what happened with my, you can say, all the logical drives that were from my main drive, all the drives became write protected, and I was trying different softwares, the new softwares. I tried a software, wait, let me just show you which software I tried with this software, AOMEI. This is also a good software, but this time it just it just proved me shit, complete shit. It just deleted my drive and nothing happened. Basically what was happening, like, let me click on eases partition recovery, so you will be more understandable between these two. So where is my eases? So you can see it has record file from my corrupted drive. Let me close this. I don't know recovery currently. So you can see my drive D is unformatted and it is showing it as active primary, and it is showing me as unformatted. So I can label it anything. Let's see if it can recover it. The data on the target partition will be erased. Okay, the operation did not complete because the media is write protected. This means the media inside my drive is write protected, so it cannot format the drive. But I tried the similar method with the AOMEI, and basically I don't know what algorithm it used. It deleted my complete partition. It basically corrupted my whole partition. I just clicked on partition and named it anything, and clicked on 8 KB, and my drive was unable to open anything. Like you can see anti-facility. Okay, I have to click on apply also. Wait. Click close the. So here is apply. Proceed. Yes. Let's see if something happens. Okay, we can continue on this also. Sorry, the current operation has been cancelled. Information code 6. The partition table device has failed to update the partition table. The table is being logged by other programs. Please close the programs and retry. Loading partition 1 disk 1, loading partition 1 disk 2. The folder is empty. Okay, very good, very good. Now my drive is back again. I have tried FAT32 this time and it worked. I don't know how, but let's try if the write protection is there. Okay, it has just deleted the data. I don't know how it has deleted the data, but yes, it has done its work. But my drive is still, you can say, write protected, and it is due to some malware. If it was normal, you can try disk part also. Disk part is a very good tool. It is inbuilt tool, and you can use it to, you can say, manage your drives. You just have to click on disk part, wait for it by getting started till it gets started. Let's close this
This
thing.
part is a part of the Windows software.
Yes. Okay, it has started. List, volume. So it has shown all my volumes that are available. So I have to click on select. I have to basically first select the volume on which I have to do something. Select volume 0. Now my volume 1 is selected. I have to clear select. Oh, sorry. What was the command? Clear volume attributes read only. I don't know if the command is right or not, but yes, there are many commands like this. I will be very close to the command. Let's see what is the command. Disk part write protected. Okay, this is blog from Isus, and now why this blog was on top due to the you can say the search engine Google is using, because I'm using Chrome. It will be capturing my mic also. So we were talking about Isus. Edit registry disk part. So I have tried this, I have tried this, I have to now try this and this. So if I click on disk part, it shows list disk then the write protect. Okay. Okay, it's attributes disk clear read only, and I have written clear volume attributes read only. So this is the difference. I have accidentally misshuffled the command attributes disk clear read only. So it will not do anything because I think it is infected. It will just show me disk attributes clear successfully. Okay, this is luck. Welcome. Now I can do anything. Write protection is also gone and I can do anything now. Okay, very good thing. Let's
Where you
jump.
can see that write protect before, where it was written when it was write protect that volume.
See, if I can go to my this drive. Okay, now all my drives are open. It was not opening before. When I was clicking. Okay, let me just show you if I can show you a demo of write protection. Okay.
So you accidentally write protect the drive or some malware write protect it.
I don't know. I think possibly it was a malware because I tried the same, you can say command, but it didn't work. But now this time it worked correctly. Maybe it can be due to some tools, but I'm not sure. It can be due to malware also, and it can be my fault also that because I was using, you can say hard drive tools from previous 2 3 days, and I was using many tools just to give brief to myself from my arsenal because I'm having a huge list of tools. Maybe it can be an error also. So hmm, okay, so I will be providing this folder. This is from my arsenal, and if I click on this, these all are the recovery tools which I have used and which are, you can say, good tools. These are only few tools, and I have told you many other tools also. You can use all the tools which are present in there. Win and delete is there, but R delete is there, QI is there, Photorec is there, Pandora is there, Orion is there, Final Recovery is there, Disk Digger is there, Disk Drill is there, Data Recovery Pro is there, and Active File Recovery is there, DDR Professional is there, and there are, you can just see many tools are here. And I have just given you the list of tools on the drive, if you can see on from the link. So let's start with this. Click on expand. Okay. So let's wait till it okay, it has loaded. Legal notice, show first one, no, don't send any info. Okay, it has stuck. Done. Updated software has been issued since it. See, this was the thing I was talking about. That it will be having lot of updates. Minimize it. Let me show you when I have downloaded the latest version. Downloads. So this was on 25 and today is I think 27. 2 days before I downloaded the latest version, and just in 2 days the update is there. Remind me later.
Anyway, sir, if the UVA is not works on my system, I think we can do second options, which is you can copy the virtual file and then I can load that in my VMware, right?
Sure.
Which already extracted. Yeah, right.
Uh,
We can do that, right?
yes.
All right. Okay. Besides, it's already updated, so then I will get the updated one.
Wait. I skipped your question. Can I have a question again? What we are having?
Yeah, in case the that OVA file
Yes,
from SIF
yes, yes,
exists, it still persists the error. You can
yes.
copy the virtual file from your VMware and upload it, and then can download it, and I can use it this VMware, right?
You can try with another method also. There was another method of ISO file, I think. Shift sense. You can go with this method. Basically, this is a very easy method, so that's why it was here. But if it doesn't work, you can go with the ISO method. If you try with the ISO method, you have to create.
I did the ISO. I did the ISO, but the thing is, it shows like a normal Ubuntu. It's not SIF. There's no
Yes, yes, yes,
extra software on it.
yes, yes. You have to install. You have to use this install. You have to just
Which one?
open this. You have to open the CMD, and you have to run install shift CLI uh,
Hmm?
using this, and you have to run first. Sorry, you have to just run
Ah,
sudo and shift install. It can ask you for password. Just type the password if there is any, and your you can say shift will be there. It will be start
okay. I will
installing the
try that.
shift. And yes, there was a question from you.
It
What
will
is?
it will download.
Yes, yes, it will start
Hmm.
downloading. And there was a question from you. What is
Okay.
GitHub? I remember.
Yes.
Wait, wait. Okay, just leave it. Just type GitHub. So what GitHub is, it I have told you it is a library for projects. If I want to serve the open community, like if I am a beginner or an intermediate level or even a professional, I'm making a software which everybody can use, which everybody can make profit of. And why I will do it? It can be for any motive, like to help the community, to help the beginners, or there can be other method or other means also to gain popularity, to gain, you can say, my skills. And wherever I will go, like I will be applying for a job, I can show them my GitHub profile is because many you can say many and many companies are there which will be asking for your GitHub profile, because all the projects you will be making, you will be uploading it on GitHub. Like any Android Studio file you make, any Android Studio project, or any Java project you make, any C++ project you made, any Python project you made, and any other tools also. Basically, what are tools? Tools are the projects. Tools are nothing special. If you say even about Rotopsy is a project. If you say about Rufus, Ricuva, Mini Tool, Power Data Recovery, these all are projects. And then you can say transformed into a tool to make us aware about the GUI. Oh no, so to make ease for us by using GUI, because not everybody wants to use CLI, and not everybody has the knowledge of CLI command line interface.
Anyway, sir, we since I'm the beginner and I just see this forum for that
Yes, yes,
from you,
you should definitely.
how we can navigate those interested for us. Like for
Firstly,
example, in
yes,
yeah.
yes, yes. Firstly, go with one thing. Try just install any Linux distribution in your system, because Linux distribution are, you can say, the one most compatible ones. You will be needing Python 3 also, and basically you can install anything, because any tool you will be searching for, like you are doing you want to do data recovery, so just type GitHub data recovery. So there will be many tools available there, many projects will be there which are based on GitHub, and which will eventually help you to recover the data. Like you can see NTFS recover, data recovery, and something like this, file recovery, recovering data, data recovery. All these will be having, you can say, they can have same algorithm also and different algorithms also. They can have same functions also. Like here you can see NTFS recover.py is there, and let's just see. So yeah, it basically he has given information to install also. Like on Windows you can install it, and on Linux you can install it. this is the usage. You have to type Python and tfsrecover.py and spacebar slash devdisx x and then space save mft and space mft. So basically this is the basic use of GitHub. It will be giving you usage also, and it will be providing a lot of tools also, and there is a complete community to help you out. Like if I know autopsy and I know what improvements can be done, I can suggest the improvements for autopsy in the GitHub community, so that autopsy can take my improvement and you can say just apply my improvement or the big bug error or any fixes that I know. Then they will be giving me credit also in the developer's code. So this is how GitHub is used.
So it's normally sometimes sharing an idea or also gaining an idea from the GitHub. Plus, you can also involve with their development.
Yes. Basically, this is for development, and you this is for both for developers also and for script kiddies also. What are script kiddies? Basically, script kiddies are those persons which are having a good knowledge of softwares. They don't know how to make softwares, but they know this actual softwares, that how which software is currently in the market and which are the topmost softwares, and which are the, you can say, how to, where we can find the softwares, everything related to softwares and scripts and commands. Script kiddie can do anything. This script kiddie is the second or third stage of being a hacker. Firstly, a hacker is a noob, then he goes to the second stage, that is script kiddie, then there is a stage of development, then the last stage comes of a hacker.
Okay, sir. Since you showed me that the thing from the Google search, how we can search particularly on the Google Hub, GitHub itself. Like if I want to find something, you
You
know.
can just sign in. I have not signed in, and you can sign in also. And you can just type GitHub also, and there is an option for GitHub search.
Mm-hmm,
You can read here results from github.com.
mm-hmm.
So
So it
basically, these will be the projects that will be directly from the GitHub. I have not signed in, otherwise I can show you also. I don't remember which ID I was using for GitHub.
mm. Anyway, I will just try to explore as well. But any questions I may arise, I will drop you a message.
Sure. Okay, this is sign up process. I think there where the everything went wrong. Okay, it has sent me a code. Mm, I have gained access to the code. So I have added to one organization. It says you have been added to B4G OPSEC organization. Basically, I am added to many communities, but not from this ID. This is actually my college ID, my university ID. So you can see here is a search bar, and you can search for anything. Like I want to search for, tell me anything. Mm,
Digital forensics.
digital forensics. So digital forensics is a big field. It will be having around more than 10,000 of the projects. Autopsy is there. I have told you the example of autopsy. So how we can do autopsy is these are all the files of autopsy. We have to click on code, then we have to click on this thing, and we have to just go to install. This thing you can find it on usage also. Where is the usage? Because the usage is different in, sorry for
Um,
like,
Anyways, I'm just curious. For example, if the people open the program, like the scripts on the GitHub, and
yes,
then you
yes,
are also a good developer, and
yes.
you can get all the data from
uh
this project and create your own project.
Yes, yes. Basically, this what.
Even like for example autopsy, for example, and you can create your own.
Yes, yes, yes. This is what basically GitHub means. It is just for developers. This
So
is for the open
they will not
community. No, no,
they
no.
will
They
not
will.
sue you for legal cases, for example.
No, no.
Like for example, I have the autopsy code and or scripts, and
Yes,
I download it,
yes.
and I change a little bits for other features, and then I change the logo, how it loads, the icon and everything. So
No, still no. What you can do, leave it. Just change the name and change the logo, and you can use it. This is how GitHub
really,
works. Really, this is for only over open community. All the most of the codes are open. You can just search it for anything,
right.
but not
So
the
it's
paid.
works like
Yes,
it's like
yes,
it's like it's like a template for everyone. They can just simply download and reuse it for their
yeah,
own purpose.
yes, yes, yes. But the only thing is, only open source tools are available there, not the paid versions.
Yeah. So, but if you will enhance the code in the script, and then you can resell it to target audience or
Yes,
customers,
yes,
right?
yes. You can do it. You can see issues are also there, and you can create a new issue also. Like if you are facing any type of bug, or you are having any type of question in the, you can say, program, that if you are not able to understand the coding or something like this, like the somebody has asked, how do I get started with the Autopsy tool? Somebody have asked command line in just needs GUIY, and there are many issues. You can go with the issues also. If you are having any issues, you can find your issue here also. There are
Mhm. So it's
actions.
not only scripts and code issue. It's only raise also how you get started doing such
Yes,
thing for the program, stuff like that. So it's not only particular for programming, right?
yes, yes, yes. It's not for particular programming. It's for, you can say, enhancement of your coding and in enhancement of your skills to contribute the community to
Mm-hmm.
get the free tools. Even I use most of the tools from GitHub.
I see. But now they have more competitors now, right? How the GitHub's earning money from this thing? Because there several existed companies as well, or forum like this competing with GitHub, like
There are,
Git.
yes, yes, yes. Basically, I think there is some paid subscription also on GitHub, if I'm not wrong. Your respiratory project just as upgrade. Currently next month GitHub free. Okay, where was that? Upgrade, pay yearly. So this is how GitHub is earning. The previous was GitHub free, and similarly like other tools also, it is also having a pro version. The pro version will include all these features. Requires reviewers in private repos, protected branches in private repo, repository insights, wikis in private repos, pages in private repo, code owners in a private repo, 3000 minutes of GitHub actions, and 2 GB of storage of packages. So this is
Mhm.
how they earn money. You can
Okay,
see
so
this
it's
is,
like what happened. What it's like GitHub does was collecting all the expert in one platform, and now you can have the connectivity. You can contact with, and you can perform these pro features with
yes,
them, right?
yes, yes, yes. You can directly contact, and your, you can say, your your request will be, you can say, will be having more priority.
Yeah, I think it's very important also for everybody here in the class, because this kind of information or forum or community, it's very helpful. It's not searching from the Google search, because Google search it's just like a clear web,
No, no,
and
basically, yes, yes, yes,
GitHub is
exactly.
something
GitHub,
like
yes. And the one thing, more thing from Google
you
is,
can because you cannot get anything from Google, but in this community, for example, the Google will not provide you exactly getting from the GitHub sometimes, right?
yes, 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 exactly. So, and one more feature is also there, that there is a trust based issue, not issue, you can say it a pro. like you know that only developers, most of the people are developer here, they are not here to scam because everything is free. And not even malwares are there because GitHub firstly scan your code. There are ransomwares also. You can
Mm.
use it for, you can say, destruction process also. If you know what is ransomware, GitHub, you can eventually destroy anybody using a ransomware. And there are, you can say, thousands of ransomware on GitHub.
So can you categorize,
GitHub.
sorry, can you categorize GitHub as a like a dark web?
No, it is not as a dark web. It is basically what GitHub is. It is, you can say, a platform for coders. And basically, what ransomware is also a, you can say, a piece of code. It is just written, you can say, to for, you can say, doing bad things and bad stuff. But basically, what ransomware is, it is just encryption and decryption.
Hmm.
So it is based on the user, that how it is using GitHub for destruction process, for enhancement process, and something like that.
Okay. So with how you can categorize the GitHub as a, it's just a normal website?
If you are in the, you can say, cybersecurity field or even a coding field, you must know how to use GitHub. You should know how to search in GitHub, how to pull requests, how to see. Basically, you should know how to use GitHub, because if you are in this community, you will be getting a lot of open source tools from GitHub, which will be definitely, you can say, working for you very much.
Yeah. Do you need extra precautions using these websites? Because you know
Mm,
these are professionals and experts doing, maybe they can also implant, you know, scripts, extra script to like malware.
Yes, yes, yes. Very good question. But the answer for that is basically all are developers here. So they just they basically all the developers just roll the code of each and everybody. So basically the code is available here. You cannot hide the code from here because basically this is the code which you will be getting from here. So if you are having this code, you can just investigate if the, you can say, the developer or the, you can say, hacker have not inserted any type of script. If they have you can say, embedded any type of malicious script which can infect your, you can say, system, any developer must can easily get the, you can say, this is the malicious thing and can report it. And if it is reported for 5 10 times, GitHub can take action easily. So this is
I
how it
see.
works, and there are a very few chances. Basically, GitHub has the lowest chances of this thing. That if you just go through a software and you do something from the software, and you can get something bad.
Hmm. Okay, so I think you haven't shown us the sharing, right? You, this is what
Okay,
we're going
okay,
to do
okay,
now, right?
okay. Yes, yes. Okay. Thanks. I was finding the folder of shared folder. FORENSIS forensics.
And you have to, you will show us a little bit how the functions and features of the SIF, right? In when it comes to GL forensics, just showed a little bit with the tools and other recovery tools that has with the SIF.
Okay, so let me see. Because in normal Windows, if you create a shared folder, shared folders are available here or here. but let's see where it's available in this. Firstly, let me get you to the tools. So let me basically get you to most of the tools. Activity log management for forensics. It is solitaire. It's not. Yes, it's solitaire. What activity log management do is it will capture the logs of the activity which was running in your system or anything. Bless hex editor, as the name suggests, it will be used for hex values, for editing or viewing the hex
Sir,
codes.
the activity log manager can only monitor what in your system, or you can also monitor other system.
Let's check. No worries. Just give me a second. There's a call for me. Just a second. I will be back. हाँ हाँ मैं घर पे नीचे होंगी. Okay, I'm back. So it is asking me for these are on the chat logs, documents. Turn it on. Let's do something now. Documents, new folder, FF, create. Is this captured now? Close. I don't know how it works, but you can definitely get idea from YouTube or something because I think
No,
I
no
haven't.
problem. You can just give me
Just wait a second.
all the general description. Then
Hello, hello,
I
hello,
can
hello.
also do my hello.
Mm, Basically, I think it can be used. A simulation you recently used can be shown in the dashboard. I'll say let's close this and reopen it again if it has captured something. Okay, okay. Files and applications that you have recently used can be shown in the dashboard. I'll say people can see or access your document and you wish to limit check-ins are recorded. Mm, Add folder, documents. Okay. So if I open it again, let's see if something happens. Documents, FF.
Try to create file on the folder.
Basically, it is just tracking the activity. Let's see if it has tracked
Yeah.
anything.
Diagnostics maybe.
No, diagnostics is used if the software is not working. I don't know how to use this tool. There was a tool similar in Kali Linux and it was used similar. Basically, it is also having the similar
Anyway, sir,
functionality.
you can just share us. Yeah, you can share us what the other things you know, and then we can I think we can do the other things for our research.
Yes, yes.
The
So,
thing that will be
yes, yes, yes. Sure.
and how you apply it in your experience
Yes, yes, yes.
or data
Basically,
science.
this is less hex editor. No need to explain this, I think, because it is just you can say hex editor. You can edit the hex values. That all the hex values are there. You can get the idea from here also, and you can get the idea of file extension from here also, from the codes and from
So,
the
so you
website.
what you did is you drop the file inside of it.
Yes, yes. I dragged the you can say the file.
Okay, fine.
I
Got it.
just clicked on
Okay,
this. I just selected the drive and just dropped it here.
all right, no problem. Thank you.
So let's continue forward quickly. So this is the camera app. This is calendar, driftnet. I don't know what this does. This is ettercap. It is used for networks. Basically for MITM. It is a hacking attack.
Just
If you
like
know,
Wireshark.
yes, it's something similar to Wireshark.
Mhm.
Just search ettergap and you will know how ettergap works. This is ghex. It is similar to bless hex editor. Then there is gthumb is there. It is for file viewing. Input method is there. ekd is name. Oh, LibreOffice is there. Wireshark is there. Hydra is there. And xpdf is there. How xpdf is there? Let me just show you. Okay, it is the pdf viewer, not the pdf viewer, but I don't know how it was used. I have used xpdf. It is a free pdf viewer, I think. Yes, it is a free pdf viewer to viewing the pdf like acrobat dc. What hydra do is basically, let's open the tool hydra. If you know, you can say there are many network tools. It is similar to network tools.
But
You
I
can
think they have
select
much
your.
more. They have much. But I think, sir, they have much more offer for safe.
Yes, yes, yes,
For example, forensic tools. Not only these tools, right?
yes. This is the forensic tool, and most of these are used for forensics. That's what I was saying. Forensics is not just the forensics. It is having a lot of, you can say, the cybersecurity tools and more.
Yeah. Where's to navigate that tools?
Basically, these are the main tools, and what you can do is there is an option for CMD, and you can click on CMD and you can install any tool you want. Basically, this
How we
is
gonna do that?
having the. Wait, let me just show you. This is the terminal, and this has opened, and you can just type git clone, and you can just copy paste any of the tool here. Let me just show you with a quick example. I think the time is already done. Okay, let's just quickly do it. Let's come up quickly with your doubts till I solve this doubt. Okay, so let's take example of data recovery tool. Data recovery GitHub. Why it is so slow? I don't know why is it so slow. Let's minimize it. Okay, sorry. So now you can see it has started cloning ransomware. Means it will start downloading the ransomware, and then I have to install it and use it. This is how most of the GitHub tools are used. This is a Linux based operating system,
So
and
you just copy and paste and then hit enter.
yes, I just typed git and spacebar and clone, then again spacebar, and I pasted the code from here. Like this was the link under github.com mori870. I just copied
I
from
see.
this
I see.
and just typed and I just pasted it and I just downloaded it. Unable to access to github.com, could not resolve the error. I think there's network error in this. Okay, so this works like exactly like this. So you can install any forensic tool here. Basically, it is compatible with all. It gives you a good environment to use all.
So they have also GitHub for Linux. I mean for safe.
Basically, GitHub is
for
common.
user, for example? Sorry.
Yes, you can use that. I will suggest you to use VMware because after using VMware, your main system will not get infected, even if you
Agree.
use some bad scripts or malicious scripts.
Okay. For you mean for searching to the into the GitHub, right?
For searching, you can use your Windows. No problem in that.
And then if to apply the application, we can use the
Yes,
SIF or other Linux machine, right?
yes. I will suggest you to install a Linux machine. Preferable, if you ask from me which Linux distribution you should use, you should go with Kali Linux. And there are others also, but Kali Linux is, you can say, worth trying because it contains a lot of pre-installed tools and it will be more comfortable for you also.
Uh, Kali Linux is also used by DL Forensics, right, and other
Yes, it is
experts.
used for forensics. So yes, exactly. It is good for offensive also and defensive also.
Mhm.
Okay, so any more questions? Basically, today's slide was just about the tools and
Yeah, sir.
processes.
I haven't shared the sharing file from the VMware to the host. I
Okay,
think you
let
were not
me.
successfully.
I was successful, but you joined late. As I've told you, just
Okay, so
go.
it was there. So I will just rewatch, and if I have any doubt, I will
Uh,
reach you.
no, let me just show you that how it works. Power off. Basically, go on. Uh, okay, everything is closed. Nice. VMware. Just start the VMware and click on the machine you have to use. Like there is Shift workstation. Then
Mm,
click on VM. Then click on settings.
okay.
Then on settings there are options for hardware, and secondly there is one menu for option. Click on options. Then there you can see one option here, shared folders. Then you have to
Mm-hmm.
click on shared folders. It is disabled by default. You have to click on always enabled,
Mm-hmm.
and then you can add a folder here. Like I have added a folder. Click on next, browse file, and you can select any of, you can create a new folder here anywhere you want, where you can just, you can see, you can say it will be mutual for both Windows and Linux.
Yeah, and also with other existing VMwares, or you have to create for other VMwares as well.
For existing also.
Existing and for the other VMs,
No, it will be basically for a single.
for particular VMs only.
Yes,
Like for example for ZIF.
yes
So
yes yes
where this goes, this folder from the ZIF on the
uh,
ZIF.
this is here the folder, new folder 3. It
Mhm.
is basically dependent on you where you want to select the folder. I selected it on desktop.
Yeah, but what we have done is we shared the folder from the Windows from the host. But then how I can access this folder from my
Yes. This was the
VM?
problem. Yes. Correct. This was the problem I was getting on Swift. Basically, this works well, very well on Windows and Kali Linux and other tools, or and on other, you can say, file systems. But I
Yeah,
don't know. There was some type of, you can say, error in, you can say,
rest-
Swift.
yeah, okay.
Basically, I was not able to found where the shared folder is. There is a shared folder, and we have to see where the shared folder
Yeah,
is.
maybe what about in the Ubuntu? Can you try to show me?
Yes, I can show you it in window, but it will take around 2 hours because firstly I have to download the ISO file
Ah, okay.
and then I have to
Okay, but
install, completely install.
which normally part of the Linux showed that file?
Just click on file system. There will be a separate folder of shared locations, shared file paths
Perfect,
or shared folders.
perfect,
Wait, let
fine.
me just show you from YouTube. It
And one
is,
more question, sir. Yeah,
yes,
go ahead.
yes. Come up with your question.
Yeah, if I have attached a thumb drive, can I also able to directly um, access this thumb drive to my virtual machine?
Yes, sure. Where is the bench? View. Okay, so here is an option for removable devices.
Mm-hmm.
So you can select it from here, like now. Western Digital is on, show in status bar, disconnect, change icon is also there. You can
Mhm.
select it from here if it is not visible, or you can say not getting connected. Your removable disk.
Okay.
Your removable disk can be anything, your hard drive or your USB stick, or even
Hmm.
your CD DVD if you are having
Yeah.
a.
So just in case the safe sharing folder will not work, and then we can use the thumb drive, and then the thumb drive will share directly to the host.
Yes, 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 you can do that also.
So can you show me where the thumb drive available on the safe?
Basically, it is taking time to load because I have
Mm-hmm.
configured it with a
Okay.
low configuration. Don't worry, I can show you personally also because you are getting error in.
Hello, sir.
Hello, hello, yes, yes.
I guess there is network issue. You are not audible.
Am I audible? Hello. Uh,
Yeah, this says you are not audible, but I can hear you well.
when I was not audible. Wait, let me just reconnect myself. In that case, am I audible now? Hello.
For me, I can hear you.
For rest, please let me know in the comments if I'm not audible. I don't know how much more time it will take, but it is available. You can just click on the file system and it is available for you. Don't worry, I
Anyhow,
can.
I think
Okay,
we just have few minutes, and then you can recording the rest.
okay, let me just
You
firstly stop.